Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can get an instant loan in the Chime. So here I'm currently in the Chime website. So here is how you can get it. So here are some popular options for an instant loans. First we have the Chime instant loans. So for example, if an eligible Chime member borrows up to $500, the loan can be repaid over 3 months with a flat $5 fee per $100 borrowed interest rate. So larger loans can be repaid over a longer period of 6 months. Then we also have the Varo Advance. So this is eligible Varo customers can borrow up to $5,006 repaid over 1 month. So with fees ranging between $1.60 and $40. So there is an $8 fee for every $100 borrowed. And lastly is we have the possible finance. So eligible possible customers can borrow up to $5,007. So this can be repaid over 8 weeks and with fees ranging from $10 to $25 per 100 borrowed. So except in select states when borrowing fees are not a flat rate. So here is a table so you can really see. So if the max borrowing amount is $2,000, so you can repay that in 3 months, and here are how much it costs. And if you're wondering how you can apply for a repay and instant loan, so the application process for an instant loan will be vary by lender, but in general, here is what you'll need to do. First is figure out how much money you need. So most lenders with an instant loans only let you borrow a small amount. So if you need a larger loan, like 1,000 or more, you can look into personal loans instead. But take note that eligibility requirements may be stricter and getting the loan funded could take a few days. And next is to check your eligibility. So not every member of financial institution may be eligible for the instant loan product, so determine if you're eligible before applying. Next is submit an application. So you can sometimes do this directly in a mobile application. So instant loans typically offer instant approvals, so without a credit check, and the money should be deposited into your account the same day. And lastly is repay the loan. So you won't have long to repay your instant loan, so usually a few weeks to a few months. So stay on top of the payments, including any fees and interest. So lenders may report you on time payments to the credit bureaus, so which can boost your credit score. That will mean that you will get the application approved. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!